Hey, do you know what the best aphrodisiacs are? In fact, do you even know where the word aphrodisiac comes from? It actually stems from the Greek goddess of sexuality called Aphrodite. And everybody's always heard about oysters being the best aphrodisiac, strawberries, chocolate. But did you know that pineapple, celery, and pomegranate are also great aphrodisiacs? Now, some people might think it's myth, some people might think it's a science, but there are actually chemicals found in all of these foods that do stimulate that hormone that makes you, you know. Let's say you're on a date and you want to serve your date that pineapple. Well, it's very hard to cut a pineapple without making a mess. So what you might want to try is this gadget right here. This is called the pineapple peeler corer slicer, and it is my favorite gadget because it takes something really hard to do, like cut a pineapple. You simply cut the top off about an inch down, take this gadget, and line the teeth up with the core of the pineapple that you've just exposed, like so, and begin turning. And what I'm doing is I'm turning and pushing, and this is actually coring, peeling, and slicing the pineapple all at one time. And simply pull it up, and there you have pineapple peeled, cored, and sliced, ready for your next date. Another great gadget to slice those strawberries, which we know are a great aphrodisiac, is this slicer right here. You simply put the strawberry into the device and push it through like so. It slices your strawberries in perfect slices for on top of your ice cream or frozen yogurt.